Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to have a slightly different format than anything I've ever done before, and hopefully it makes sense to you by the end of the video here. But this interaction that I want to show you today is an example of how the interactions that we have with people aren't just isolated incidents. I've actually got a couple of videos similar to this coming out in the very near future. This is an example of an interaction I mean, this was my very first call of the day. I was trying to go get my coffee and I had to stop and deal with this woman that was running topless down the side of the road. That not only did that affect my morning, but it actually affected other officers and the rest of their day and how we interacted with the public and the hospitals, which you'll understand that when we get to that point in the video. But then also this very same person, I had a very interesting experience with her the following day. And I don't want to completely spoil everything in the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off at the beginning of the day when I was simply trying to go get my coffee. I looked up at the computer and I see a call on the board that says something about a woman who's topless running down the street. I was like, you know what? I haven't had my coffee yet, but I'm always game for something like that first thing in the morning. So I go up and I deal with this woman, and then I'll be back with you in just a minute to talk about what happened next. Hey honey, what you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, do you need help? Why is your shirt off?
I thought this was a blanket.
Oh, here, I'll come talk to you. Hey, don't go anywhere. Okay. Where's your shirt?
Sorry.
Have a good day.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Look, there's my butt.
No, stay here. Shirt on. Thank you.
We're running away.
Where are you running away to?
From the blood.
From what?
Blood.
Oh, no, don't do that. Hey, no, wait with me. Wait right here. Okay, no, stop. Come over here, sit down. Come over here and sit down. 190.
190.
I got the female up here at Terrace and Broad.
Wait, hold on.
From
I'm not
24
blood.
for a 498 reaction. No.
I copy.
What's your name, hon? What's your name? What's her name?
I got Haley out of her.
Haley? Do you normally hang out with Haley?
No, I don't know this girl.
Okay, where do you normally hang out, Haley?
She's I think on back there and
Yeah, I can see that.
Eight.
What?
Eight.
Hang on, stay here and talk to me. Haley. Haley. Stop. Listen, you want to be safe in my car for a minute? I'm gonna make you sit.
I promise you, honey.
Look, there's nobody can get to you.
No.
No, but nobody can get to you there.
No, it's red.
It's
So
white.
So if you look at the history, his aura
191.
was
Do you want to
red.
start to
Okay.
190's location
My-
before heading to that?
Can you unlock? Can you just open up my back door for me?
No, his home was blue.
Thank you.
Different.
All right. Haley, let's go grab a seat right there, okay?
Please.
Nope. Come on, I'm gonna keep you safe. Nobody's gonna get to you. I'll even help you run away.
No, seriously, I'm not.
No.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna get you looked at, okay? I'm gonna take you to a doctor. Let's go to a doctor.
Okay, I'm an alien. Okay, yes, I'm an alien.
Okay, well I'm gonna take you to a
send me
human
down
doctor.
To me.
And I gotta put this on, and don't take it off because an alarm
I
goes
don't
off.
have to be Egon.
No.
Inigon.
Nope.
she was naked.
All right, so there we had this lady. She was topless on the side of the road. She had some clothes. She's out of it. She thinks that she's alien. She thinks that she's got some things inside of her. What do we need to do with her? We need to get her to the hospital because she is high out of her freaking mind. So we went to the hospital. Now, this next part of the video, there's a little jumping back and forth in it, but our experience at the hospital was a little bit crazy to say the least. And rather than me explaining to you what happened at the hospital, I'm going to start with a clip from one of my buddies, one of the guys that was with me on that call. Later on the day, they're going to take another person to hospital, and he's going to tell this other officer, hey, we can't go back to the hospital we went to before because it was crazy. So I'm going to play the clip of him, and then we're going to go into what actually happened at the hospital when we got there. Now, portions of this are going to be redacted as far as the visuals, just because of certain public records laws, but I left the audio intact, and there should be plenty of stuff there for you to enjoy.
Doctors, we already ruined. The chick me and Badger took in there, took a crap in the trash can.
Ew.
She ran to the trash can, pulled her pants up.
Down at Mount Carmel?
Yeah, so I think we'll take him to
Oh
the
my
doctors.
God! Yeah, that's ruined.
They're gonna be really mad.
That's ruined for a week at least. It'll take a minute to blow over. All right, doctors, I'll meet you out there.
Okay.
I tried telling you guys it was furry on the inside. Whenever you guys opened me up, look, I don't have
Look,
one.
we're gonna give you a spot
I
to sit
am
down.
literally about to explode.
Well, we don't want that to
Yeah,
happen.
let's get in the room and we won't
So
have
there's doctors here that'll keep you from exploding. Okay?
When at
Grab a seat.
fucked free.
Sit down on the bed.
Here, hon. Hey, I'm Joel. I'm gonna be helping take care of you. Can you lay in bed for me, please?
Love of everybody.
Yep.
Hey,
On the
what's
bed.
your name?
I have had metal.
Can you sit down?
Guys,
Hey, hon.
I have had so much STDs.
Can you tell me your name?
It's literally,
We don't know anything.
Who's got a story?
Just she was
I am
naked running down the
on
street.
the inside.
In the street.
I'm dead on the
hallucinating.
outside.
I
And
thought I couldn't hear
I'm
you.
alive.
What'd you say?
Just hallucinating
Okay.
and doing this.
No, please.
Yes. And I don't have a name or anything. No one on the street knew her.
Shit right now. I know.
Okay.
All of us get
Can we? You want to grab security, and then we can get her medicated and do all that.
Right here.
We got a bathroom.
You're not pooping on the floor.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my.
No, 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 no! The bathroom is literally next door.
Christ.
I am so sorry.
No. Water.
Walk. No,
Absolutely
bathroom.
not.
Come on.
No, you're not.
Come on.
For the record, this was
No. I did not call 911.
All right, so I don't think I need to repeat all that, but we took her to the hospital. She thought she was going to explode. We didn't know what that meant when she said she thought she was going to explode. What she meant was she's going to have explosive diarrhea. So she ran to a trash can, dropped her pants, ended up spraying all over the hospital. It was nasty. I felt really horrible for the hospital when we did that. And then, as you can see, my buddy, later on in the day, he had a crazy person. He's like, we can't go back to that same hospital today. They will kill me because of what happened there the last time I was there. So this lady, she went to the hospital. She did that on the floor. They kept her overnight. And then the very next day, they released her. Now, the funny thing about the next day is my wife was actually with me for a ride along that day. You know, it's summer, the kids are off. My wife's a teacher. She was off for the summer, so she came for a ride along. We had a very eventful day. I put the video of that up on the channel in the past, and I might readdress some of that. But it's the end of the day. We were basically just trying to hide. We were clear. We weren't marked on any calls, but I wasn't patrolling anymore because it was like 10, 15 minutes to the end of the shift. I was hiding under a bridge. So we're sitting under this bridge, and people come running up to us. And I've got one of the 911 calls. I think I'm going to include that in the video. Someone comes running up to us, and they're like, dude, there is a woman who is completely naked, rolling around, and she's covered in poop on the side of the road. Somebody needs to go and do something with her. I was like, okay. All right, here we go. So we went, and I go and I deal with this naked woman that was rolling around in poop on the side of the road. And it was the same woman that I dealt with the day before who was naked and thought she was going to explode. Unfortunately, with this video, for some reason, the first half of the body camera is not present. I don't know if I forgot to activate it when I got out of the car. I don't know if public records messed up something when they got it to me. I don't know all of the circumstances involving that, but you're going to get to see the very tail end of that video, and then you get to hear me and my buddies talk about what had just happened, and that's going to be the end of the video. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this format because I've got some more that are going to be like this in the future. I'll talk to you later.
Called yet, but there's this girl that's butt naked, and she's like shat all over herself, and she's rolling around in the road. I'm not sure if she's like ODing or what the case is.
All right. I copy.
Thank you, guys.
There's supposed to be a wagon coming.
I know that
There's supposed to be a wagon with 2 officers coming so one can ride with you if we need to.
We'll be okay. It's all right.
Oh, you got
I
an
called
engine
for
coming.
Engine, but we'll be all right. Thanks, guys.
All right.
Appreciate it.
We'll hang out till they get...
Just hanging out, just flopping
Yeah.
around out here.
Her clothes are under the car.
Okay.
parked under that tunnel by Netcare, and someone walked all the way down there and flagged me down. My wife's like, I'm gonna stay in the car.
Yeah, good idea.
I don't think so. I did a pretty decent job keeping her arms late. Well, I'm so sorry she kicked in the face. But it was so fast.
Yeah.
She just moved. She would be laying still and then just fucking like lightning. She started like here and was flopping around and go all the way down to there, and like I couldn't grab her, and I wasn't gonna bear hug her.
Did you get poop on you? Gross. Glad you guys got it.
Oh, Jesus.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, radio.
I think we're good.